Hi, and welcome to our classroom tour for the theme paper assignment. On the first page of the course syllabus, you will find our course theme. This is a theme that you are evaluating in each segment of your theme paper. From the beginning of history, humans have worked collectively in increasingly expanding networks that by 1500 came to encompass the globe. Think of segments 1 and 2 of the theme paper as midterms. Your completed theme paper is your final exam. Additionally, in the syllabus, you will find this description of the theme paper assignment. You will select a single network and trace its development over the course. Segment 1 of the theme paper draws on information from chapters 1 through 5 as our course considers the rise of civilizations. Segment 2 of the theme paper draws on information from chapters 6 through 10 as our course considers the rise of empires. Finally, the complete theme paper brings in information from chapters 11 through 15 as we conclude the course with a consideration of global systems. To help you with the theme paper, this tour is designed to give you some strategies for organizing and writing your theme paper. For segment 1, your aim is to develop a clearly articulated thesis, or main point. In order to do that, you should decide what a network is. We will have assignments and activities designed to help work that out. Then you need to decide which network you are going to analyze for the duration of the course. Very importantly, tell me how that network is connecting people. Tell me how it functions and not just what it is. Chapters 1 through 5 have followed the rise of civilizations. When thinking about the network you have selected, tell me how it is connecting people within the civilizations, and perhaps between civilizations. For example, we know that Mesopotamia was trading with Egypt and the Indus Valley civilizations. However, work to show the origins of your network. Be sure to rely on your chapter review questions for help finding examples. In segment 2, you are providing further analysis of your thesis and network. Hopefully, the way that you decided your network is connecting people is still true. If it isn't, revise your thesis. In this segment of the paper, you are demonstrating the ways in which your network has grown, or expanded, or changed. You will need to provide examples from the text in order to do so. Chapters 6 through 10 follow the rise and fall of classical empires. Don't forget the 3 characteristics of empire. Even though we like to focus on charismatic leaders and wars, most likely you will find the best example of your network if you look at the bureaucracy of empire. How is the central authority holding his territory together? How is he staying in power? In this section, you should start thinking about how your network is functioning between regions rather than within a region. In segment 3, you are providing a conclusion to your thesis and analysis. In the previous 2 segments, you have considered how the rise of civilizations and empires have shaped your network. Now, you are going to show how your network has become a system that functions on the global scale. You should take care to put all 3 segments together before submitting your final paper to me. You should make all the necessary revisions so that the 3 segments read as a single analysis of the network. You will still need to provide examples from the final portion of the text. Chapters 11 through 15 are showing the rise of the globalized world. Locate the role that your network plays in that and use it to provide a conclusion to your paper. If segment 1 considered the local origin of your network, segment 2 demonstrated the interregional development. And finally, segment 3 is making a case for the global system that connects people. Think back to the course theme. Don't forget that you are showing me that, from the beginning of history, humans have worked collectively in increasingly expanding networks that by 1500 came to encompass the globe. Don't panic. The big picture of History 103 PowerPoint is always available. Additionally, we will have blogs and discussion boards to help along the way.